So it's time to download our work samples from SeeSaw so that we can upload them to StrongMind. I'm going to give you a video tutorial on how you can do this. There are a couple of other ways in the guide site that will show you, but this is how I do it, and it seems pretty simple. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come to your work sample and make sure that it has a scholar's name and grade. Hers is also on her paper. Make sure that it has the learning period, which it doesn't. So what I'm going to do in my comments section is I'm going to put learning period 1, and you want the subject, so you want to be sure and do that. The parent already put a happy face and a grade on it, but I like to just write a little note. Nice. And just so they have something to look at and makes them smile. And then I like it. That's not necessary, but I just do it for fun. You're going to make sure it has a date. So the date there and the date here match. They don't necessarily have to. You want to make sure the date is a school day. And then finally, you're going to come in here and you can just push print. And then you wait. So when I push print, it goes to save, and I chose my destination as PDF. I know in the example, it goes straight to Adobe screen and you can go from there. But my computer cannot get to do that. So we're going to go this way in case yours does this. So I'm going to save. So what I do for my scholars, it's up to you how you do it, but I have a family folder and then work folders. So the naming convention is going to be the learning period, the scholar's first initial and last name, the subject, and then you can put 2019 if you want now, and then 2020 for second semester. I like to put the school year. If I put the right school year would be good. There we go. And then I save that. Then I have to go back in. I know it's an extra step, but I go back into that family's folder, the scholar's work sample. If you right-click on what you just saved, then Adobe, edit in Adobe, it will take you straight to Adobe. Then you need to put your signature in. So I don't have my screen big enough for you to see that. Here we go. So we're going to come here. I'm going to click on this. I click on my name. I'm going to scroll down and put it at the bottom, and I'm going to save it right there. If you don't have that set up, you will come over here to the right and you will choose fill and sign, and it will give you the option to do that. So once I've done that, because I've already saved it as that name, I don't have to do save as this time. I can just save it, and then it will be saved as the document, and it's actually that simple. Hopefully that works for you all, and if you have any questions, you can always feel free to ask any of us. Thank you.